मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में सुना था, सब लोग बोलते थे मैनिफेस्ट करो होगा, सब कुछ होता है, बट तुमको सोचना पड़ेगा उस तरीके से, ये सब करके। और मैं सोची भी खुद के लिए और मेरी खुद की टीम के लिए, बट नहीं होता था यार। फिर एंड में घूम घुमा के हम आ जाते थे कि नहीं भाई, नहीं होने वाला है यार लिवरपूल से, नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा लगता था जिंक्स ना कर दें, बिकॉज मैनिफेस्टेशन इज एक्चुअली believing and actually telling and putting it out in open that this is what is going to happen. And I could not do that for Liverpool because I would feel that I'll jinx it. So which is I'm हमेशा negative बोलती थी, but the manifestation power works, man. Just look at what Ange Postecoglou did with Tottenham, who have not won a trophy since 17 years. इतने सारे memes, trolls सब बन गया है, and today he delivered. And who is the team who let them have their moment? Manchester United. मतलब why would I say that it's not expected from Manchester United to do a Manchester United thing, but they definitely did. And Tottenham has a silverware now, and that a very important one, Europa League trophy. बाप रे बाप, what a season it has been for them. बातें बदल गई, जज्बात बदल गए overnight. What a season बन गया है for Tottenham Hotspurs. और भी बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे, so let's not waste any more time and get into the video right now. नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप वेल एंड गुड। व्हाट दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैटर्स। एंजे पोस्टेकोग्लू डिड समथिंग दैट नो मैनेजर कुड डू। जोजे मोरिनो came and he could not deliver what he did, and even then he's sitting on the 17th position in the league table, lost almost 20 matches in the league, but still he's going to play in Champions League next season. This is what you call a like very shatir dimag. I think this is what it is, because you know what, I read a few articles and about Ange Postecoglou this is said that he was not very serious about the league because his focus was to get a trophy for Tottenham, to get them to win something, to let them know how it feels like to win something and to break that drought of trophies of 17 years that they have not won it. The last time that they won a trophy was back in 2008 and they won the League Cup. Okay, we all know about that, but for Ange Postecoglou, what or why was he hired? He was hired so that he could get this team a silverware. And that's what he did. He delivered, even if he's sitting on the 17th position at the league table. It does not matter. Again, what is Newcastle, Nottingham Forest, Man City? What are they fighting for? They are fighting for a spot in Champions League next season. And this is what he has delivered. तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है where is he on the league table? It's a shatir dimag. It's a well played move, because you know what I read in the articles, actually that is what I was talking about. So I read in the articles that Ange Postecoglou was actually not concentrating on the league as much as he wanted to get this team a silverware, like I mentioned, and his whole focus was to get the Europa League trophy, which is why you will see the last two matches that they played in the league table, in the league, they lost both the matches, but he did not play his primary team, his usual playing 11. Also, you would know that इतने बड़े बड़े इंजरीज उसके टीम के लिए चल रहे थे, मिडफील्ड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खाली था, लूकस बर्गवॉल और कुलुसेव्स्की, भाई हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट दैट प्लेयर इज़ फॉर द टीम, एंड रेकरिंग इंजरीज हो रहे थे. But this man delivered, and more than that, how bad Manchester United is. मतलब वो बाप रे, ओनाना वो सेव कर सकता था, नहीं कर सकता, आई डू नॉट नो, बट यू आर प्लेइंग इन अ फाइनल्स. दिस वुड डिफाइन योर सीजन, रीडिफाइन योर सीजन. विल नॉट मैटर वेयर यू आर ऑन द लीग टेबल, बट कहाँ से दिख रहा है यूनाइटेड में, यूनाइटेड के प्लेयर्स में और मे बी मैनेजर में कि हाँ कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे. लाइक ऑनेस्टली in this particular season, I have seen 3 finals which were shitty. 3 finals. एक था लिवरपूल वर्सेस न्यूकासल यूनाइटेड कैरेबाओ कप फाइनल, which was shitty because Liverpool played very very bad. I'm very happy for Newcastle United what they did. They won the trophy after so long. But what Liverpool did was pathetic. We played such a bad final because that's not how we usually play the final. The second final that I saw was FA Cup final, Crystal Palace and Man City. Man City played bad. I'm not saying they were horrible as Man United and Liverpool were in the final, but they did not play good. They did not play a Man City team would do, right? And Crystal Palace ended up winning their first ever trophy ever, like major trophy ever. Such a big thing. And then this final, Europa League final, in which Tottenham and Man United were fighting for, and Man United played pathetic, like so bad. तब भी समझ में आता है Liverpool had their hands on the Premier League title, so maybe, you know, however we played, it's fine. Man City का समझ में आता है, they were already competing for that top 5 position, so you know might be the focus might be on the league, and understandable. But what is Man United waiting for? What are the players waiting for? What did they think would happen if they will lose? Like they have something to look forward to then. Oh my goodness, like that was the worst final ever. But all football fans are united on one thing. No matter which football club you follow, but we all agree on one thing, that Son won. I think we all wanted him to win. We wanted him to get that hands on his trophy because he has not won anything. And at Tottenham Hotspur, he has given it all. He is a legend now. He's definitely become a legend. He has won it with Spurs. It's such a big thing. Harry Kane won it, his first trophy with Bayern Munich, and that was a given. If he would not win it there, then where would he win? But Son did it with Tottenham Hotspur. I think he was at the right place at the right time. And NJ Postecoglou said that I always win something in my second season. And he did that. Bhai, I'm going to manifest the hell out of it, man. Now I have to do that and have to believe in it. No matter when people say अरे ये होने नहीं वाला है, because 8 महीने से बंदे को criticism झेलना पड़ रहा होगा इस particular statement के ऊपर, but he delivered. This is the coldest statement that is going to go down in the books of history, that NJ Postecoglou did something like this. It's incredible. Wow. So good. Guys, let's, like all Liverpool fans I'm talking about here, let's get together and manifest much more that we can for our particular team, that they are going to do so well in the next season. And not just so well, we won't be that big, that we will win the Champions League next season. इस साल Premier League जीता है, अगले साल Champions League जीतेंगे. Let's manifest that together, because manifestation actually works, and thanks to Mr. Ange who clearly proved it that it does. By the way, Mikey van der Ven के बिना ये possible नहीं हो सकता था. तो no matter how important the first goal was for Tottenham Hotspur, but because he made that crucial save, the most crucial save that Tottenham Hotspur could ever think of making. Arsenal phase injury, हम better थे, वो better थे करता रह गया. Man United चलो कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा है, क्या बोले, उनका season ऐसा जा रहा है, don't know what will they do or whatever. Man City is trophyless this season, but there is one club who has trophy, and that is Tottenham Hotspur. They have broken the curse, they have, the drought is over, and now finally they know how to win. And I do not know what the future holds for Ange Postecoglou. Why am I speaking his name again and again? Because इतने मुश्किल से 10 बार रिपीट करके पूरा नाम बोलने की आदत डाली है कि जब मैं उसका नाम बोलती थी ना, मैं भूल जाती थी अगले सेंटेंस मैंने क्या बोलना है यार. इट्स डिफिकल्ट, इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट नेम टू प्रोनाउंस, बट एनी हाउ, the future of Mr. Ange Postecoglou, it is very dicey even now because he has won it, but the owners, they are still considering, the back management is still considering how pathetic they were in the Premier League. But if that was the plan of Ange Postecoglou, that he is going to get his hands on Europa League because he always wins something in the second season, if that was the plan, he is a cunning, smart manager, man, because he did it, man. He did it. He redefined the season. It does not matter where you sit on the table as of now. So that's crazy. That's amazing. Let's see what will happen with him in the future. But players and the manager, I think they are bonding well. The players are interested in him staying, and I think he's also interested in the project of Tottenham Hotspur because he did something that nobody could do. So many managers came and tried, but nobody could do that. So that is the video, guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Bye.